Hello! My name is Alisa. Welcome to the Lingopie channel. Lingopie is a streaming platform for language learning with interactive, sophisticated language learning tools. And today we are here in order to teach you some curse words in German, which are going to be very easy to learn for English speakers because they're very similar since German and English are related. So lots of words are the same. So the first word is Arschloch. Arschloch means asshole. Arsch is ass. Loch is hole. So very straightforward. You use it exactly the same like you would use in English as well. I would say all the words here you would use in exactly the same context like you would use them in English. This is why I chose them. Next word is Scheiße. Shit. You also use it in the same context, absolutely, like you would use it in English. Scheiße. Word number 3, ficken. Ficken. It means to fuck. Or a bonus word would be Ficker. Der Ficker. Du bist ein Ficker. Fucker. Same type of swear word or curse word like in English. The fourth word is verdammt, which means damn it or god damn it or damn. It has the same root actually. Verdammen. Dammen. Damn. So you could say it as when you are like angry but something didn't work out. Verdammt. Or you could say das verdammte Haus, which is falling apart. Das verdammte Haus, the damn house, which is falling apart. The next word I would like to mention is Sau or Schwein. Sau and pig means Sau and Schwein. Du bist ein Schwein. You are a pig. You are a Sau. Du bist eine Sau. It's used quite a lot actually in German, especially for dirty behavior or something like that. Don't be a pig. Clean your room. Sei kein Schwein. Räum dein Zimmer auf. The next word is was zur Hölle. What the hell? Was zur Hölle bedeutet das? What the hell does it mean? So hell, Hölle. And was zur Hölle. Next word is the same exactly. It's the bastard. Bastard, der Bastard. Exactly the same. Spelling is the same. And the last word for today we have is verpiss dich. In English it would be piss off. It's very similar. Verpiss dich. Piss off. So these are the curse words I chose for today, which are very similar to English, so it's easy for you to remember. Thank you for listening. You can try Lingopie in a 7-day free trial. The experience of learning languages with TV and Netflix and podcasts and music. See how engaging and amazing it works and how you can bring your language learning game to a new level. Thank you and bye-bye.